Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. I'm Alpella. If you're new to my channel, I would like to say a very big welcome. Thank you for joining in. Today I'll be showing you how to withdraw your money from TikTok. A lot of people always ask, does TikTok pay? Can I make money from TikTok? Oh yes, you can. Now what do? How do you withdraw your money? You just click on this one here, these three lines. When you click on it, you go to settings and privacy. Then you go to balance. Be very patient for it to roll and open up. Now, when you look at it in your country or in your currency, it's going to show the total. Mine, you can see my total. Okay, it's 11,116,015 kobo. Okay, so when you click on view, it will now open and show you how much it is in dollars, because we get paid in dollars. Now, how do you get paid in dollars? By linking your PayPal or whatever means you want to get your money from. Okay, you can also see that I've gotten a lot of money and I've withdrawn a lot. So you just click on withdraw and automatically it will show me my PayPal, and all I need to do is to send it to my PayPal. If you watch here, you're going to see that it's showing PayPal wallet. So that's my PayPal, and I'm in Nigeria. So if you don't know how to create your PayPal, make sure you join my classes on TikTok 4 to 6, Monday to Friday. So the moment it comes here, you just click on all. When it shows all, it's showing you that you want to withdraw all the money. Just say yes, and you just do it, and you just say withdraw. So it's going to show you that it's removing 32 cents from it. Just confirm. And if your money is not up to $10, please don't bother, because it will not go. Okay, now if you see, it's showing me that it takes usually 1 working day to arrive. So it's showing pending, and I'm going to refresh my PayPal account to see if I've received it in my PayPal. Yes, I've received it in my PayPal. So that is how it's done. Let me show you guys. So from my PayPal, you can see PayPal has taken their $5, and I'm going to just request my money, and look at it. I'm sending my money out of my PayPal to my account. You can see you just transferred it. So guys, you can see that my PayPal is working, and I've had this PayPal going to 5 years. So thank you guys. I'm done. The money has been sent. So you can see that I don't have any money anymore. So you can still see it's the same date. Thank you guys. Bye bye.